Hey, and welcome back to a new video. This time I will talk about custom sitemaps in Webflow. So normally you would like to have a sitemap automatically generated by Webflow, because obviously what is a sitemap? It's basically a list of all the URLs on your website, and it really helps the Google algorithm and also all other search engines to understand your website and what's on it. And normally how you would do it is you would go to the SEO tab in your project here, and then there is a toggle for auto-generate sitemap. And you can check if this works while just by adding sitemap XML to your website. And here, for example, these are all the different posts on my website here. So for example, most of them will probably be on the blog here, articles and media, and you will find them all inside here. So let's imagine we don't want to have an auto-generated sitemap out of some reasons. Then we can just switch off the toggle and create a custom sitemap. So let's imagine, hey, we don't want to show all of the stuff that you have just seen, and we just want to have, I don't know, the main URL of the website and the blog maybe. So I could go in here and by hand create a custom sitemap. So in my case, I will just want to show the main URL and the blog. I can click save, and now I can publish the sitemap, and let's see what happens. In the best case, if I would open up the sitemap now, we would see that there was a big change, and yes, everything worked. So this is our custom sitemap. So whenever you need that, it's really easy to do in Webflow. If you have any questions around this, make sure to put them in the comments below, and otherwise follow us for more Webflow, Figma and marketing videos. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.